English phrases for the supermarket. Let's go to the supermarket or grocery store. When you go in, you'll take a shopping cart or a basket. To ask for help in the supermarket, you can say, "Where can I find?" or "Do you have?" For example, "Where can I find ketchup?" "Do you have non-fat milk?" The supermarket employee can respond, "It's on aisle 12. Aisles are the corridors in the supermarket. The employee might also say, "Yes, in the dairy section." The supermarket is divided into various sections. The dairy section has milk, yogurt, butter, and cheese. The produce section has fresh fruits and vegetables. The frozen foods section has ice cream and pre-prepared food. The bakery has bread, muffins, and cakes. The deli has sliced meat and cheese for sandwiches, as well as some salads. And the ethnic food section has international food items. If the store doesn't have the item available right now, the employee will say, "Sorry, it's out of stock," or "Sorry, we're out of unsalted peanuts at the moment." In this case, you can return to the store later to check if the item is available. If the store never offers the item, the employee will say, "Sorry, we don't carry mango juice." In this case, you need to go to a different store to find it. You can buy food in different types of packaging. Listen and repeat. A can of soup. A jar of jam. A box of cereal. A package of pasta. A carton of milk. A bottle of wine. A loaf of bread. You might see signs that say 20% off. This means there's a 20% discount. If you're not sure if there's a discount, ask, "Is this on sale?" When you're ready to pay, go to the checkout. The person who works there is called the cashier. The cashier might say, "How would you like to pay?" You can answer, "In cash," with a credit card, or with a debit card. If you pay with a credit card, the cashier will say, "Please sign here." If you pay with a debit card, the cashier will say, "Please enter your PIN, personal identification number." If you pay in cash and the total is $70, but you give $100, the cashier will give you back the extra money and say, "Here's your change," or "Your change is $30. Then the cashier will give you a receipt. A receipt is the piece of paper with a list of the items you bought and their price. Finally, the cashier might say, "Have a nice day." You can reply, "Thanks, you too."